For decades, hiring ran on one document. The resume. It was always a guess. You read a page of self-description, made a judgment about a person, and hoped you got it right. Then AI made hiring even harder. AI can now write a perfect resume in 3 seconds. Anyone can claim any skills they want. The trust hiring depended on is gone. So the question is not how to fix the resume. The question is, what replaces it? We built the 10-factor hire framework to answer that. 10 factors. Verifiable before the interview. Identity. Skill. Real availability. Deal breakers up front. A profile that travels. Both sides accountable. Not promises, not paperwork. Proof. The 10-factor hire is an open standard, published openly, and free to adopt. We built it because hiring on resumes is not reliable, and someone had to invent what comes next. Vetano manages it. The industry can join it. Welcome to the new standard.